Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about how to set up a VLAN for QHora and the QSW switch. Using QHora and the QNAP switch for VLAN setup has some benefit, like it follows IEEE standard, which can connect in with other VLAN devices on the same framework. QHora and the QNAP switch also has user-friendly GUI for users' configuration, and the flexible combo port also makes the connection easier. For network performance, QHora and the QNAP switch provides high-speed Ethernet interface, and they have some reliability features to ensure the network daily operation. For the simple network design, we usually put all clients in same network. This kind of design usually just using the router with default configuration. However, since the traffic between different departments are mixed, there is no way to manage the traffic flow, like apply the firewall rule to block the access from TV wall devices to financial department. To reduce the security risk, we recommend to separate the network from different departments in order to provide better network management. To achieve it, we usually use VLAN to separate the network. However, most end-user devices is not able to handle the VLAN packets. Therefore, we use QNAP switch to handle VLAN packets, including tagged VLAN and untagged VLAN, to complete this network design. For VLAN configuration, in the QHora, we shall add a VLAN, including the VLAN ID, unique network IP address, and the DHCP pool, then binding the VLAN that we created in the LAN port as trunk mode. In the QNAP switch, we shall add exactly same VLAN ID and configure the connecting port for VLAN tag and untag. For example, we use QNAP switch port 7 connecting to QHora. The traffic in this line will transmit with VLAN tag, so port 7 we should configure it as T tag. And the port 1, 2, 3, we connecting to 3 different departments. The traffic between these 3 lines will transmit without VLAN tag, so port 1, 2, 3, we should configure it as U untag. Let's start to configure our QHora. First, we log into QHora, and we can go to the network and the VLAN to add the VLAN information. First, we click Add VLAN button, and we can configure the VLAN ID. Please be aware the VLAN ID cannot be duplicated. It must be unique, and we can give in the description. And the VLAN IP address. Also, we can enable a DHCP server to allow this VLAN assign the IP address to clients. And click the Apply button. Okay, the first VLAN has been created, so let's just add another 2 VLAN. and the third VLAN is the same. Follow same steps we can create for third departments. Okay, so third VLAN has been created. Then we just go to the WAN and LAN setting to configure the LAN port. We are going to connecting the QNAP switch. So click the Action button and configure the VLAN mode as trunk mode. Then select the VLAN we want to transmit on this port and click OK and click the Apply button. Okay, the traffic transmit from this port will be with the VLAN that we selected. VLAN configuration on the QHora has been done. So let's go to the QNAP switch to configure the VLAN as well. We can access the QNAP switch and go to the VLAN tab. Then by default, all the port is belong to VLAN 1. We can click the Add button to add the VLAN that related with the QHora VLAN setting. First VLAN is VLAN 10. We use port 1 to connecting to the financial department, which is untagged, and use port 7 as tagged. And add one more VLAN 20. We use port 2 connecting to sales department and port 7 tagged connecting to the QHora. And add the third VLAN, VLAN 30. We use port 3 connecting to the TV wall, and the port 7 is also tagged. Then click Save button. So the configuration on the QNAP switch has complete as well. To make your network more efficient, the QNAP product is your best choice.